Here's my drawing of her. She has a hoodie on because she's dark, she's sad, she doesn't have any eyes because she can't see clearly. She's always judging me and telling me mean things about myself. I'm fat or I'm ugly and the weight on the scale is too high. I've struggled with it for so long.
She told me that everything that I did was wrong, that everything I did was a mistake. She makes it easy to stay in a place that's like dark because it's comfortable, and there's almost a sense of like not deserving to come out of that place.
My inner mean girl was the captain of my ship. Constant thoughts of self-hatred, suicidal thoughts of self-harm. She would tell me that I don't deserve happiness. She would tell me all of these lies, and I believed them to be true for so long. It takes a lot of practice to be able to separate that. She makes me think that I can't do that, but I can.
When my inner BFF comes up, she rebuttals very aggressively towards my inner mean girl. She's just kind of like, oh no girl, no you didn't. You did not just say that because we're about to say some nice stuff right now.
My inner BFF is just pure love.
I feel her in here, like in my upper chest area. It feels like I'm at peace within myself.
A moment when I felt my inner BFF was today. I was sitting on the yoga mat and like the sun was shining on me. It was just so obvious to me that like things are gonna be okay.
Inner BFF told me like, no, we're not doing this anymore. We're going to just be ourselves, whether that's happy, sad, imperfect, and we're just owning it.
She reminds me to take care of myself, physically and emotionally and spiritually, and she also makes me very grateful to be alive.
I wish a lot of things for teen girls around the world. I wish that they truly find their inner BFF, that they find just self-love within, because really the only thing that you need is yourself.
I want them to feel capable of accessing love and guidance and joy within themselves, because I don't think a lot of people feel that they can do that, and I know I didn't for a long time.
I wish that girls know that they're not alone, and that it will get better, even though nobody believes that statement when they hear it, but it really does.